Hello, so today I'll showcase a project that I made and I call it Gymcraft. Now I know it's a really weird name, but the thing about this is it every time I do a bicep curl in real life, it gives me +1 attack damage in Minecraft. and yeah, so as you can see right now, I did 13 uh, I mean, now it's 14. 14, what do you call it? Bicep curls. So now I can two punch a regular zombie. And if I go ahead and I just do a couple more of these, let me just heal up, I guess. So if I do a couple more, I should be able to one shot a zombie. So let's test that out. And meanwhile, I'll tell you how this thing works. So the first thing, I shamelessly copied some OpenCV project. There's a tutorial that I will link in the description, and you can check that out. So that's how the OpenCV part works. And OpenCV basically means the camera tracking thing that is tracking my bicep curls. And then I made a mind flare bot that uses attribute commands to kind of like increase my attack damage in game. So yeah, that's it for today, and see you next time.